Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these baby bottles out of marshmallows and candy. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this.
Before we start making this recipe, look below this video at that subscribe button. If it's red, all you have to do is click on it and it'll turn it gray. Also, if you enjoy what I do here, be sure to hit that like button because I really want to get to 200 likes on this video. Now back to the recipe.
Now the first thing we need to do to make this is start out with some blue candy melts, and we want to melt those in the microwave 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between until they're completely melted. So after a couple of minutes, your blue candy melts should have melted nicely. Now if you find that it's too thick, what you can do is put a little bit of vegetable oil in there, about a tablespoon, and just mix it in and it thins it out. Next, what we're going to do is take some Oreo cookies. I'm using double stuff. You can use regular stuff, it's fine. Also some Reese's peanut butter cups. And we're going to dip it into our blue candy melts. So just take one, dip it in here, cover it really good. And you just want to tap off the excess. And transfer this to a cookie sheet that has either parchment paper or wax paper on it for it to dry. Do the same thing with your Reese's peanut butter cups. After you got all these covered, what you want to do is just set these aside and let them firm up. Next, we're going to bring in some white candy melts, and I melted them down the same way I did the blue ones. And we're going to use Hershey Kisses. Now, you can make your life a lot easier if you just get the white Hershey Kisses, but we're going to dip these into the white candy melts and turn them white. So when everything's dried up, your Oreo cookies, your Reese's peanut butter cups, and your Hershey Kisses, now what we're going to do is assemble them. And to do that, it's quite simple. The Oreo cookie is going to go at the bottom. Let's just make sure this is all cleaned up and nice and round. Next, we're going to have our Hershey Kiss. I'm sorry. All right, so when everything is all dried up, ready to go, your Oreo cookies are dried, your Reese's peanut butter cups, your Hershey Kisses, now what we're going to do is assemble them. And to do that, the Oreo cookie is going to be at the very bottom. So we're going to take one of our Reese's peanut butter cups, and on the bottom of it, I'm just going to put a little bit more of this candy melts, and then I'm going to assemble it right on top of the Oreo cookie. Might have put too much candy melts, but that's okay. Next, you're just going to take your Hershey Kiss, and we're going to put a small drop of candy melts on that and put that right on top. Then we're going to take a giant marshmallow, and all this is going to go on top of that. So more candy melts. Right on top of there. And when all your candy has hardened up to the marshmallow perfectly, what we're going to do is take this, lay it on the side. I have some of that blue candy melt I put into a piping bag, and we're going to just draw a line. This is like the measuring cup on a bottle. And that's it, that's one bottle. Well, this is it. These are the baby bottles. I went ahead and made some pink ones as well. I didn't show you in the video, but it's the same process. It's just I used pink candy melts, that's all. So I just think pink and blue is perfect. If you don't know the sex of the baby and you're doing this for a baby shower, you can also do yellow. That works well. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you make it for yourself. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these baby bottles out of marshmallows and candy. It was a lot of fun making this. This is a perfect recipe for either a baby shower or maybe a baby reveal. Whichever way you like to do it, it's pretty cool. Just thought you'd like this. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit the big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And until then, I'll see you next time. Remember to stir it, start over. Start over. What I'm gonna do to, And when, I'll show you how to make these, you make these marshmallow, or